because I'm Jamaican, you know. Just because I'm Jamaican. Which means me kinda have to watch and play. That's it. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. And before going any further, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Referee, blow the whistle, fam. Let's go. Jamaica 0, Guatemala 1. Here's some man in my chat group the other day. Chojos, you me attack. Oh yeah, big up the team. Team I go places. Roaming on a sense. You know ball. Me I try to get the wording for put together to tell you all this man talk about football in a different kind of atmosphere I'm talking about. Because when we won against BVI, British Virgin Islands, I said this win was crap. Team was crap. And they must say, oh, look how the field bump, look how the field jump up and down, yada yada yada. Then them go to Jamaica, go play against the same Guatemala team when they play last night. And win 3-0. And I'm like, oh, they're not talking no room, what happened? I say, man, no win 3-0. I didn't watch the game as much because I was playing soccer at the time. The game started, I was playing soccer. Didn't watch it much, just hear the results. But I watched that game last night. I was doing schoolwork, sat down, and watched the game last night. And I'm going to tell you right now, people, this manager, McCLAREN, this ex-Manchester United manager, and you know me and Manchester United, best thing in the world, biggest team in the world. McCLAREN, you need to go. You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. It's like the top of ball on the top on the previous video resurface again and again and again. Question number 1: why is Damian Lowe in the team? Why is Damian Lowe playing in the midfield? Why is Damian Lowe playing in defensive midfield? Why? You have Isaac Eden. Why is Damian Lowe playing in the midfield? Yes, he did it well. I don't remember the team he played against, but he jumped, come on, man, second half, played with it, passed to Posa and scored. I think of Canada. Yes, passed to Posa and scored. Oh, yes, remember, Damian Lowe can play midfield or he can. Brother, Damian Lowe can work against Canada because Canada have possession of the ball and you can win attack 1 or 2 times and then make a easy 3-yard pass. Damian Lowe is supposed to play against Guatemala when they're supposed to dominate Guatemala. Damian Lowe is supposed to play in the midfield. Damian Lowe is supposed to play in the defense up on the bench, brother. And to be honest, Richard King look better in the defense, so guess what? Damian Lowe play on the bench. Damian Lowe is supposed to play football this time. Richard King supposed to play in the defense. Damian Lowe is supposed to play on the field. Why? If that time get a yellow card in the first half, if still play in the second half, fam, why? Isaac Eden for in the midfield, anchor the midfield. Why? Because him can come and take it off of him, take it off of defense, make a quick on the half turn, pass left and right. Damian Lowe have nothing like that. The ball bounce off of him like a sponge. Why? Why, oh why, oh why? Second thing, coach. Why is Cephas playing? No, don't get me wrong. I gave him credit for the last few games. He played well. But in those games, he has a lot of space. Defense wasn't close on him like that. He had a lot of space. And what does he do? Run on space, which is good. Cephas' speed is good. Run on, break it off, chop it back, score, chop back pass, whatever he can do, he does it very well when he's playing against those teams. What they got him out of the last game, you know, sit down on him. Sit down on him like when you wine a gal a wine in a dance. See me? Sit down on him, a whole game. He couldn't do nothing. Him could not do anything. Why? Why you never see that and take him off? We should be up on the team in the first place, you know. Because to me, a team like Guatemala in a Gold Cup, Damon Gray for the right so. Which he has this fast, quick spin, can get around 1 or 2 man, make space, pan the left side of midfield. Why? Why did you play Cephas? People, we need to start think about the football in a different manner in our party. And not just because him play well this game, you have to play next 4 or 5 games. You have to think about who you are playing. Remember, you just played Guatemala 3 years ago, 5 years ago. You think Guatemala and go strong and say, alright, this is what him do the last game. What we are going to do for take him out of the game this game? Yo, why is Damari Gray in a top of midfield? Why is Damari Gray playing number 10? Damari Gray has never played number 10 as far as I can remember. I always play on the wing. Why is he playing number 10? Damari Gray was last in the first Guatemala game and not this Guatemala game. Why is it that he's not playing on the wing, fam? He's a very good attacker, very good on the ball, move left, move right, and can do anything. Why is it that you're not giving Damari Gray the ball on the right side? Put the number 8, the Rasta boy, in a number 10. He can get around. He can beat a man 1 or 2. Create a couple chances. Yes, he might lose about 1 or 2 times, but you can see that he can move around the pitch, fam. Damari Gray was slapping the whole game, fam. Completely dead the entire blowout game. Why? Fam, we need to understand yourself when they talk about football. Yeah? We can't just look and say the man in baller, we have some good baller, so we are going to win. Because we have some decent ballers, yes. But man, we have put the ball in the field. If it not have sense, it not gonna make sense. Yeah? Remember me tell you, if it not have no sense, it not gonna make no sense. Leon Bailey, I don't know. The only thing you do is the whole game was create a foul at top of box. Everything else, shit. Why? Why are there? What purpose? Well, me not gonna chat too much about your Leon Bailey because at least I can tell you tried. I'm not talking about the rest of the team. Coach. Yeah? Make up your mind, Parry. You can't play Damian Lowe as a holding midfielder when Damian Lowe can't hold midfield, fam. All them have is a wing pass over there, so we are going to fly over out of bounds. When King got the ball and swing across to Cephas, perfect pass. Pinpoint from left to right. Why Damian Lowe can do that? Because he's not a friggin' passer, bro. He's just a bully. Again, me have to watch the game because I'm a Jamaican. So, see you in the next one, fam. See you in the next one. People, bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.